Hey Fusion Foodies! Welcome back to Fusion Food Adventures. Today we're making quick and tasty pan-fried sea bass, Asian style. It's a simple recipe that takes under 10 minutes and tastes amazing with steamed rice. Let's get into it. First, make the sauce. Mix 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, a dash of black pepper, and chili powder, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons water. Stir well and set aside. I'm using 24 ounces of frozen sea bass, fully thawed and patted dry. You'll also need a tablespoon of butter, 4 to 5 cloves of minced garlic, sesame seeds, and chopped green onion for garnish. Now, heat a tablespoon of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Gently place the sea bass in and cook each side for about 3 minutes. It depends on the thickness of your fish. Mine are about 1 to 1.5 inch thick, so adjust the cooking time as needed based on yours. Shake the pan every minute so the fish doesn't stick. Once both sides are golden, add in the butter, letting the fragrance fill your kitchen. Give the pan a gentle shake again to keep the fish from sticking. Now, add in the garlic. It smells incredible already. Then pour in the sauce. Flip once more to coat everything evenly. And it's done. Turn off the heat. Just look at that golden sear. Crispy on the outside and glistening with sauce. Topped with sesame seeds and green onions. Makes it even more appetizing. This came together fast and turned out so flavorful. You won't believe how easy it is. You can also use other firm flesh fish like salmon, cod, or orange roughy with this recipe. It works beautifully and tastes just as amazing. When you break into it, the outside is crisp, and the inside stays moist and tender. Every bite is buttery, garlicky, and perfectly balanced. This dish comes together so easily, and yet tastes like something you'd get at a restaurant. It's fast, fuss-free, and absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching, Fusion Foodies. Like, comment, and subscribe, so you don't miss out on more tasty recipes. Keep tasting the world, one bite at a time. See you in the next delicious video.